Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video, I will show you our new features in the user interface and operation. Let's start with an exciting new feature in the drawing ribbon. Here you now have the option of breaking up references directly in a part list. This allows you to select and break up several referenced parts at the same time. If a selection is invalid, you will immediately receive a clear message. Another update concerns the part filter. You can now filter the drawing specifically for assemblies with a certain main part, for example for assemblies with a sheet metal part as the main part. In addition, there are predefined filters in the All tab that help you find the right parts faster. There are also new functions for structure assemblies. In the 3D standard ribbon, you now have the option of creating a structure assembly directly as a main part and as a subpart, ideal for quickly organizing your drawing. These functions are not only available in the ribbon, but can also be added to the Quick Access toolbar or the Transparent toolbar. The Design Checker helps you to check your drawing for errors and optimization potential. With the new Service Pack, you can now select preferred checks as favorites to display them prominently. In addition, the checkbox states within the selection options for the checks have been extended. With the new checkbox states, you can, as before, directly select and deselect all checks in a group. However, you can now select the check directly without having to activate the group first. This saves you time and gives you more flexibility when selecting the checks you require. In addition, you can now display and mark all checked parts for certain checks. The BOM relevant parts without article master check has also been improved. It now also includes standard parts and determines whether an article master exists for them. Let us now turn to the improvements of the HELiOS ribbon. New features include the functions for displaying the active project, so that you can quickly see all the data for the project, and the Project Explorer, which provides you with a clear and concise list of your projects. These functions are also available for the folders in the same way. And here's another useful new feature. With Service Pack 1, you can now also see the active project and the active folder in the HiCAD title bar, even if no drawing is open. The fields are now also designated more clearly, so that you can see at a glance which project or folder you are currently using. Finally, we take a look at the configuration editor. The settings for HELiOS and the interface to HiCAD have been regrouped here. You can now find them at System Settings, PDM. This gives you a clearer structure and makes configuration easier. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing.